Hidden beneath rotting logs and damp stones, there lives a creature that's been quietly thriving for over 300 million years, the woodlouse. Also known as pill bugs or roly-polies, woodlice aren't insects at all. They're actually terrestrial crustaceans, relatives of crabs and shrimp. And their external anatomy tells a fascinating story of adaptation, evolution, and survival on land. Let's take a closer look. A woodlouse body is segmented and protected by a hard, armor-like exoskeleton made of chitin. This exoskeleton doesn't just offer physical protection from predators, it also helps minimize water loss, a vital feature for a land-dwelling crustacean. The body is divided into three main parts: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. But unlike insects, which have 6 legs, woodlice have a whopping 14 legs, 7 pairs, attached to their thoracic segments. These legs are perfectly suited for crawling through leaf litter and tight crevices. Their slow, deliberate movement may seem clumsy, but it allows them to maneuver in dark, moist habitats where speed isn't as important as stealth and survival. The common woodlouse has 2 pairs of antennae, but only 1 pair is visible. These antennae are essential sensory tools, covered in tiny hairs that detect touch, chemicals, and moisture. They help the woodlouse explore its surroundings, find food, and stay safe in dark, damp environments. Did you know woodlice have compound eyes? These tiny crustaceans don't have eyelids or pupils, just clusters of simple lenses that detect light and shadow. Each eye has up to 25 individual ommatidia, helping them sense movement, not detail. Perfect for staying alert in the dark, damp habitats they love. The common woodlouse may be small, but its feeding apparatus is surprisingly complex. It has strong, chewing mouthparts called mandibles that break down decaying plant matter. These are supported by maxillae and maxillae, smaller structures that help manipulate and push food into the mouth. Woodlice are detritivores, meaning they feed on decomposing organic material, playing a vital role in nutrient recycling in the ecosystem. Woodlice excrete waste through a small opening at the end of their body. Their droppings are dry and pellet-like, helping them conserve moisture, crucial for survival in their damp habitats. Speaking of moisture, woodlice are highly dependent on damp environments. Their exoskeleton lacks the waxy coating that many insects have, so they lose water quickly. That's why you'll always find them in cool, humid spots. But even their external gill-like structures, called pleopods, are a clue to their ancestry. Located on the underside of the abdomen, these pleopods help them breathe, but they must remain moist to function. It's a clear reminder that, despite adapting to land, the woodlouse never completely left the water behind. Woodlice also play a crucial role in the ecosystem. Their adaptations allow them to break down decaying organic matter, recycling nutrients back into the soil. So the next time you lift a rock and see one of these tiny, armored creatures scurry away, take a moment to appreciate its design.